What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get more lives in Royal Kingdom. So if you want to get more lives here in Royal Kingdom, well there are a few things here that we need to know. Now the thing with lives here in Royal Kingdom is they automatically refresh when you start or when you leave the game. As you can see right now, there's a timer in here. So once 7 minutes is up, it automatically gives me lives for my account. So which in turn, should be able to start playing the game again. But if you don't want to wait this timer, you also have the option that says free lives. So if you press on it, you have the option to join teams here to get free lives. So click on join here, but obviously in order for you to join teams, you need to be at least like level 21. So it gives you, by the way, teams gives you free lives and also free rewards here like coins. Now, another way for you to get lives here is to use coins. Now, to use coins here usually costs around 900 coins for one live. So, if you want to start playing, by the way, you earn coins by playing the game itself. So, you get this passively whenever you play the game. You also get more coins if you have more moves left on your board. Now, yeah, so you could purchase coins here. So, you could purchase coins like, for example, right now is around like $2 to $3 for 1,000 coins here. So that's just basically one life. So I just estimate this just like around $2 for one life here. So you could go and spend money if you want. Now, also there are going to be like different types of bundles here. Like for example, if you get the bundle here, like the Royal Battle bundle, you get like 6 hours of unlimited life. So you can play the game unlimited and just basically start playing the game here and do whatever you want. So yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.